So people have a misunderstanding, probably from all the Law and Order we watch, that the police officers are the ones that do the whole investigation. They're the ones that work up the case, and they're the ones that bring home the conviction. That's really not true. They do the bare minimum amount of work to get that case wrapped up right then and there, and they send it to the state attorney's office. So the state attorney is actually the person that'll continue the investigation, and they're the ones that are going to be putting you in jail. They're the ones that are going to be prosecuting you, looking for that conviction. Now, what I like to do is actually get in front of the prosecutor, by letter, by phone, in person, whatever it takes, to reach them, to tell them exactly what actually happened to the case. Now, the police, they did it quickly, they didn't talk to everybody, they missed a video, and we can actually get that information to them. And that could lead to your charges being reduced, your charges being dismissed, or ultimately setting that case for trial. So I think one of the most important things you should ask your criminal defense attorney when you look to hire them is, do you like to go to trial? Now that might seem like a weird question because you'd think everybody that does this for a living wants to go to trial, but it's actually not the case. The majority of attorneys don't want to go to trial. And because of that, I don't think you can trust their opinion as to whether you should go to trial or not. Because cases fall into two distinct categories. They're either triable cases or they're cases that need to be worked out. But if you have an attorney that doesn't want to go to trial, all the cases are going to be not triable. All the cases should be worked out. Everybody here at this firm, we want to go to trial. That's the best part of the job. But because of that, I think you can actually trust our opinion as to whether or not you should take your case to trial. That's what we want to do. We want to be up there in front of the jury giving a closing argument. That's the best part of this job. That's what we live for. However, we shouldn't be up there giving a closing argument if it's not what's best for your case. Sometimes what's best for your case is to work it out to get it resolved. But because we like to go to trial and because we will go to trial, you should trust our opinion on whether or not you should take the case to trial ultimately.